Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about you should use technology in a good way to improve yourself. Let's dive into today's video. Technology is so important nowadays. You can definitely use technology to improve yourself in such a great ways. Whatever you like to do, whatever you want to learn in your life, you can definitely do that by using technology in a good way. Technology will definitely help you to learn new things for yourself, and you can definitely improve yourself by using the technology in a good way. There are a lot of great applications on the internet that you can download to your phone and you can start to improve yourself. Don't use technology to waste your time. I've seen a lot of people are wasting their time by using the technology. They are just scrolling the videos for hours on social media. I don't want you to be like that. You have to use technology in a good way. You have to be really smart about this, guys. Technology will definitely help you to improve yourself. It is a really great resources for you to improve yourself in such a great ways. A lot of people are making huge mistakes in their life. They are just wasting their time on the internet. They are just wasting their time on social media. You don't have to be like that. You have to be smart about this. You have to use technology for your benefit. You have to use technology to learning new things in your life, and this way you will definitely improve yourself in such a great ways. Technology is a great resources for you to improve yourself. If you want to learn a new language, you can definitely find a lot of great information on the internet that you can improve your language, that you can learn a new language in your life. If you want to become healthy in your life, you can definitely find a lot of information on the internet about improving your health. You can definitely do that by using the technology in a good way. There are a lot of great information about exercising, what you should do when you are exercising. There are a lot of great information on the internet that you can have a healthy life for yourself. You should definitely start improving yourself by using the technology. Technology will definitely change your life in a good way if you want to improve yourself like this. Everybody has a different lifestyle. Everybody likes different things in their life. Whatever you like to do, you can definitely do that. You can definitely improve yourself by using the technology in a good way. I highly recommend you to use the technology in a good way that you can improve yourself in this way. If you want to use the technology to improve your language, you can definitely do that. You can definitely learn a new language by using the technology. YouTube is one of the greatest resources that you can use to learning a new language. If you want to learn English language, you can start by doing your listening studying. YouTube will definitely help you to make your listening studying, and this way you are going to learn a lot of new information about English language. You should definitely make your listening studying by using YouTube. There are a lot of great channels on YouTube. They are trying to teach English language to the people. You should definitely follow that channels and you should definitely try to learn this language. You can study English language every single day by using YouTube, by using the technology in a good way. When you're listening to the English movies, English TV shows, English news channels, or when you listen to the native speakers who has a YouTube channels, you are going to learn new words from them, and this way you will expand your English vocabulary, and this way when you try to speak with the native speakers, You can speak with them easily. You are going to understand them when they speak English language. It is going to be really easy for you as long as you keep studying English language, as long as you keep practicing with the native speakers. It is going to get easier every single day. You're just gonna have to give some time and it will get easier for you. You have to study English every single day. Even if you have a busy life, even your day is so busy, you should try to listen to the English videos at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day, and this way you will improve your English language. Your English language will improve in this way, and you are going to speak English much better. Every time you try to listen to these videos, it is going to help you to improve your language. If you want to improve your English language, you should definitely start reading books. Reading is going to help you to learn a new English words, and this way you will expand your vocabulary, and this way you are going to learn a lot of great information about English language. When you read English books or English newspapers or English magazines or articles, they are going to help you to learn a new English words. Anytime you read those books, anytime you try to read English books, it will definitely help you to learn this language. You are going to learn a lot of great information about English language. You are going to learn how to make sentences in English language. You are going to pronounce the words correctly. You should read your books out loud. You have to hear yourself. This way you can improve yourself. It will definitely help you to pronounce the English words correctly. You should definitely try to read your books out loud, and you should definitely start talking with yourself. This is really important, guys. If you can't find anybody to talk, you can talk with yourself. Just talk with yourself in English language, and this way, when the time goes, your English language will get better. When you speak with the native speakers, it will become so easier for you to speak with them. You should definitely start talking with yourself. This will definitely help you to improve your English language. There are a lot of great applications that you can download to your phone, and you can start speaking with the native speakers. There are a lot of great people on those applications that you can find, and you can start communicating with them. It is really helpful. It is really going to help you to speak English language easily. When the time goes, when you make your practicing regularly, when you give it some times, your English language will definitely change in a good way. You're just gonna have to trust yourself. You have to believe in yourself. You can do this. You can definitely use the technology in a good way to improve yourself. Trust me, guys, it happened to me, and it's going to happen to you also. You're just gonna have to be patient about it. You're just gonna have to give some time, and everything is going to be great for you. You are going to learn this language. You are going to learn a lot of new information. Whatever you wanna learn, whatever you wanna improve yourself, you can definitely do that by using technology in a good way. You can definitely do that by using technology in a good way. Technology will definitely change your life in a great way. You just have to know how to use the technology. A lot of people are making mistakes by using the technology. They are just scrolling videos on the internet. They are just wasting their time by doing nothing. You shouldn't be like that. You have to trust yourself, and you have to use the technology for your benefit. You have to use this technology to improve yourself. It will definitely change your life in a great ways, guys. Just give some time. Everything is going to be great for you. Whatever you wanna improve yourself, you can definitely do that by using technology in a good way. I highly recommend you to use technology in a good way. A lot of people are trying to get away from the smartphones because they know they are just wasting their time on the internet by using their smartphones, and they are trying to not use smartphones anymore. You can use your smartphones. You have to be smart about it. You have to focus on improving yourself by using your smartphones. There are a lot of great applications. There are a lot of great resources that you can find on the internet, that you can find by using technology in a good way. It will definitely change your life in a great ways, guys. I hope you guys can use technology for your benefit. I hope you guys can improve yourself in such a great ways. I wish you guys best of luck. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.